Thank you for coming, ma'am. Lonestar. Lonestar Cruisers are here. Praise the Lord. How would you like to have a car like that? Yes. I would like to have a car like that. You will be a member of Lonestar Cruisers.
Told me to wear this today.
All right. Doing a great job, Ian. So we got a cool little setup here to protect the hoses. Everything going on down there. So we got the car wash up here on 34th Street in Kingswood. Got some signage out. Got windshield repair. Jackie Harrell, cheerleader for C.O.O.L Ministries, fitness trainer, fashion. You're a fashion designer?
Yes.
Fashion designer?
On the side, fashion designer.
So everything's come together. We just got pizzas from Caesar's Pizzas, Little Caesar Pizza. Car wash. Family event.
I'll just tell who are you? Hi, I'm Desi Lindo, founder of Lonestar Cruisers. Our group is a family-based group. We want everybody to come out. We don't do any racing. If we do racing, we go to the track, where it's legal. We don't do any burnouts, any of the crazy stuff that you might see on TV. family's most important. Our events, we try to meet every week. We try to do, big events. If anybody has like a funeral that they want to do, we try to do those. Birthday cruises or drive-bys, we usually do that. Try to get everybody to set up. We're just, our main focus is family friendly, that anybody, whoever wants to come, even if you're not a car person or anything like that, you can still come join our group, come along, come to our meets, have fun, join our events, and enjoy the car community, get into it, and not only car community, but car community and truck community, bikes, whatever you have, you're all welcome. Everything for the group is for the people, for our community. We want to help small businesses out. Like if you know anybody that has a business that's running out or going down, just let us know. We'll want to go make a meetup for it or an event where we can go support them and help them get up and finally get to finances where they need to be at and everything like that. And then you can join us on Facebook at Lonestar Cruisers, and we have a like page and we have an actual group page. And then we have an Instagram, also Lonestar Cruise or Lonestar_Cruisers. We also have a Twitter. I think it's the same thing, Lonestar Cruisers, and we are working on a website right now for everybody to join that too.